This is the nightstand with charging station. They call it a modern nightstand, but I think it has kind of a really cool retro look to it. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. And I'm going to assemble this for you, and I'm going to show you what it looks like around the house and how all the functions work on it. This is how it arrives. This box is about 17 by 14 by 6 inches. It's got a little weight to it, but all your parts that you need are in here. It comes with a really clear set of instructions. All of the sections are numbered, and all of the parts are also labeled with lettering on there. You get this bag with everything in here, and it has a letter that corresponds to, where you're supposed to put it, so it makes it easy to install. We've got the outlet, the legs, and all this stuff here to get it going. So let's put it together and see what happens. This steps go in order too, so it's pretty simple. Step 1, step 2, step 3. You get the picture. We have some extra parts left over. They left us about 1 extra of everything. I like that. I think this thing looks great right in between my Ethan Allen high back and my couch. About 25 inches high and about 16 inches long. So it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. We put that light strip on there, and it actually comes with a remote. There's a little plastic piece on here that you're gonna pull out, and you can set it to white light, blue, green, red. There are a variety of about 15 different colors. And there's a couple of mode buttons on here, mode up and mode down. You can push and it'll vary the lights for you however you want. Let's get the greens going, the blues. There's an auto setting here, which will do all kinds of stuff. You can see on the top here, it's got 2 USB ports and 2 outlets. I've got one of them plugged into the lights down there, and I've got my tablet charging right here, and I've got my phone charging, and I've still got an outlet left. Still plenty of room to put a small lamp on there, and it's got this drawer that you can either leave it in or leave it out if you want. Work great as a magazine rack, if you want to put some magazines in here or some books or however you want to do it. To me, this is a great looking retro table. It reminds me of the 50s for some reason, but they call it a modern table, and everything comes back around. So I like the looks of it. I like that it's lightweight, and there's all kinds of different stuff I can do with it, and I can charge my phone and tablet on it, whatever I want to do. This would work great as a nightstand, maybe an office charging station in between 2 chairs like I have here, or a chair and a couch, and it works as a nice little end table. I love it.